Hello kids, how are you today? Today we are going to continue the session of our lesson of standard 3 and the lesson number was 5 and the name of the lesson was Indigo King. The name of the lesson was Indigo King. So let's get revise the lesson. थोड़ा सा revise करते हैं. Then we are going to continue the other part. So what was there in our lesson? In our lesson there was a jackal who used to live in a jungle with his other friends. Then what they used to do? They all used to hunt the food daily. वो सब साथ में daily क्या करते थे? They used to hunt the food. After hunting the food in the evening, they used to distribute the food among themselves. वो सब एक साथ फिर उस food को क्या करते थे? Distribute कर लेते थे. So as this jackal he started thinking कि मुझे रोज अपना food सबसे बांटना पड़ता है. I should go away to the village across the river. मैं across the river village में चला जाता हूँ and I'm going to hunt for myself and eat myself. So one morning he moved away from there, and as he moved, what he saw? He saw a pottery form and a big hat over there. As he saw a big hen over there, then what he thought? He thought to eat it up. उसने क्या सोचा? अब मैं इसको खा लेता हूँ. Just in his imagination, he was thinking, and the street dogs gathered him. और जो वहां पे जो dogs थे, उन सब ने उसको gather कर लिया. Now he got frightened. अब उसको लगा अब तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? I should run away from here. As he started running from there, he went to a dyer's house. वो एक डायर के हाउस में चला गया and fell into the tub of the blue color. Blue color के टब में वो गिर गया था. And soon when he thought that now animals have gone, अब जो यहाँ की डॉग है वो वहां से चले गए हैं, then he came out and moved back to his jungle. Now let's start a new session. Now when he moved back to the jungle, he reached the jungles and animals was looking Jackie terrified. Terrified means alarmed, very frightened. मतलब सारे animals डर गए थे. किससे? जैकी से. Everyone was looking him terrified. सब एकदम अचानक से उसको देख रहे थे. Why? Because Jackie was not knowing this. His body color was changed into indigo color. That was the blue color. And he fell over there. जहां पे वो जिसमें गिरा था तो उसकी पूरी बॉडी पे ब्लू कलर हो गया था. That's why he was looking frightening. वो जेकॉल की फैमिली को बिलोंग करे वो ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था. So everybody was looking him terrified. सब उसको उससे डर रहे थे. That's why everyone was looking at him and everyone was surprised. सब एकदम सरप्राइज हो गए थे कि ये कौन आ गया है हमारे जंगल में. Then Jackie then saw his reflection nearby the pond. Jackie वहां पे एक छोटा सा pond था, मतलब तालाब था. So he went over there and what he saw his reflection. हमको अपना फेस देखना हो तो हम किस में देखते हैं? मिरर में. That Jackie saw his reflection in a pond. एक छोटे से तालाब में जब वो गया and he bent like this, तो उसको क्या दिखा? अपना फेस दिखा. And he saw that his body's color was being changed into blue. What he saw? That उसका जो बॉडी का कलर है it's changed into blue color. वो पूरा ब्लू कलर में चेंज हो गया है. Now realizing that he was dyed blue, he thought of a plan. जब उसको realize हुआ that my body is being dyed of blue color, मेरे बॉडी पे तो ब्लू कलर का डाई हो गया है. Then immediately a plan came in his mind. Immediately उसके माइंड में एक thought आया. And what was that thought? That thought was he tell to the people, to the jungle dwellers. मतलब जंगल में जो घूमने वाले people होते हैं, animals होते हैं, move from one place to other. He told them that I have been appointed over here as the king of the jungle from the Lord. मतलब भगवान ने मुझे आपके किंग, जंगल का किंग बना के भेजा है, just to take care of all the animals. Who said this? The Jackal. It was the plan of Jackal. ये क्या था? Jackal का प्लान था. That as he saw that everyone is getting frightened from me. What he saw? He saw that सब मुझसे अब डर रहे हैं, तो immediately a plan came in his mind. तुरंत ही उसके दिमाग में प्लान आया. And what was the plan? Plan was that now he said I don't want to do any work. उसको कोई वर्क करना नहीं था. So what he said? He made a plan and he said to all the animals that I am the king of the jungle and I have been appointed by the Lord. मुझे भगवान ने आपका क्या बना के भेजा है? made me a king of you to rule over you and care of your well-being. I have been appointed as the caretaker of the jungle. उसने क्या बोला, भगवान ने मुझे यहाँ पे भेजा है आपका ध्यान रखने के लिए एंड जस्ट टू बिकम द किंग ऑफ यू एंड जस्ट टू टेक केयर ऑफ यू. सो जैकी asked all the animals to bow down to him. जैकी ने जंगल के बाकी सारे एनिमल्स को बोला that you all have to bow down in front of me. अब आप सबको मेरे सामने क्या करना पड़ेगा, bow down होना पड़ेगा. Means to bend in front of someone like this is called bow down. And serve me well and I shall protect you from well harm. What he said, you have to serve me well, मतलब मुझे आपको अच्छा सर्विस देना पड़ेगा. You have to give me a good service and I shall protect you from your harm. और आपको जो भी कोई नुकसान होगा, I am going to protect you from that. Who said this? Jackie the Jackal said this कि अब आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे अच्छे से सर्व करिए, टेक केयर ऑफ मी, then I am going to save you from all the other harms. आपको जो भी कोई नुकसान होगा उससे कौन बचाएगा आपको, I am going to save you. Why? Because I am the person who is appointed by the Lord just to take care of you. क्योंकि मुझे भगवान ने अपॉइंट करा है किस लिए, आपका ध्यान रखने के लिए. The animal did not know why he was looking strange and colored. अब सारे एनिमल्स को यही लग रहा था ये कौन है जो एकदम अलग दिख रहा है. He was looking strange, he was looking different, he was not looking like Jackal. वो Jackal की तरह दिख नहीं रहा था. So that's why everyone got to know that he is someone different only. Then now Jackie have lots of animals just for taking care of him. अब जैकी के पास जंगल के जो भी एनिमल्स थे, they all started taking care of him because he was looking different. So all the animals thought that whatever Jackie is saying, it's truth. जो भी जैकी बोल रहा है वो सच बोल रहा है. सो वी शुड सर्व हिम. अब हम सबको मिलके उसको क्या करना चाहिए, सर्व करना चाहिए. नाउ द एनिमल्स दैट वर देयर टू टेक केयर ऑफ जैकी वर टाइगर्स, लायंस, elephants, deers, hares, leopards at his back. अब वो सब उसके पीछे रहते थे. On his words, the whatever thing Jackie the Jackal used to say, all the animals used to follow him. Earlier he had to get afraid. पहले उसको डर के रहना पड़ता था अदर एनिमल से. नाउ ही हिमसेल्फ वाज द किंग. अब तो वो खुद ही किंग बन गया था. सो व्हाट ही सेड दैट आई एम द किंग ऑफ द जंगल एंड you all have to say to him on his back. मतलब immediately whenever he calls for any of the animal, that animal comes in front of Jackal and work for him. वो जैसे ही किसी भी एनिमल को बुलाता था, all the animals used to come in front of Jackal and they used to do the work whatever he wanted him to do. However, he banished his brethren, the other jackals, too far aside of the jungle. बाकी के जो jackals थे वो सब क्या थे, वो उससे अलग हो गए थे. एग्जाइल मतलब वो दैट इज ब्रेथन. ब्रेथन मीन्स अलग हो जाना. द अदर जैकल्स वाज बीन डिफरेंशिएटेड फ्रॉम हिम. वो उससे अलग हो गए थे. एंड ही बिकेम द किंग ऑफ द जंगल. वो जंगल का किंग बन गए. जैक एंजॉयड हिज रोल एज द किंग very much. Why? Because now he became the stronger one. Now he became the stronger one that he don't have to serve anyone and he don't have to obey anyone. Now the other animals were serving him as well as were obeying him for his food. उसके खाने के लिए ना ही उसको मेहनत करना पड़ता था. And nor he have to hunt anything. He don't have to go here and there or nor he have to hunt. All the things were being done just by his words. सारा काम तुरंत हो जाता था जैसे ही वो speak करता था that I want this. So animals were ready to help him. All these things were happening just because of the blue color of Jackal. ये सारी चीजें happen हो रही थी क्यों? Because Jackal's body turned into blue color and he said that I am the lord of the jungle. One night Jackie heard a call of his brother Jackal. एक दिन क्या हुआ, जैकी ने आवाज सुना कि उसका ब्रदर है वो उसको बुला रहा है. Jackal used to do the howling like this, ooh, like this kind of sound Jackals used to make. Now what happened? One night Jackie heard a call of his brother. They were howling at the full moon. Jackie tried to ignore the call but he could not resist anymore. One night, what happened? His brother was howling. The jackal used to howl in midnight. आधी रात में ही jackal howling करते हैं, हू करके they used to make the sound. जैकी कुड नॉट इग्नोर दैट साउंड. जैकी ने बहुत ट्राई करा, उस कोशिश करा कि वो उस साउंड को इग्नोर कर सके, बट ही कुड नॉट हेल्प इट. बट वो ऐसा कर नहीं पा रहा था. ही won't be able to do that. So finally what he tried to ignore the call but he could not resist more. वो ज्यादा देर तक उस फीलिंग को रोक नहीं पाया. Soon he too gave a howl. Immediately, the Jackie, whose body turned to the blue color and he became the king of the jungle, he also started growling. He also started howling. And the tiger who stood to guard Jackie's cave heard the call and realized the Indigo King was no one else. Now, when the Jackie started howling, जब जैकी जेकॉल ने हाउलिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया, देन वेयर द जैकी जेकॉल वाज लिविंग. जैकी जेकॉल यूज्ड टू लिव इन द केव. एक गुफा में रहता था वो. सो द लायन वाज गार्डिंग हिम. जो लायन था वो क्या कर रहा था? उसको गार्ड करता था, ध्यान रखता था कि नो वन शुड हर्ट हिम. बाय बिकॉज ही वाज सेइंग दैट आई एम द किंग. तो वो तो राजा बन गया था. Other animals used to guard him. Now when he started howling, then the lion was guarding his cave. Lion जो है वो क्या कर रहा था? उसका केव को गार्ड करा. He heard the howling of the lion. Now he understand that who is this indigo king. अब वो समझ गया था कि ये इंडिगो किंग कोई दूसरा नहीं, ये जैकी द जेकॉल ही है. Who got to understood this? The lion. The lion got to know that this is our Indigo King was no one else but the jackal of their jungle. Then what happened? The lion gathered all the other animals of the jungle. Lion ने क्या करा? जंगल के सारे animals को वहां पे gathered करा and hear the cunning jackal's howl. और जो howling jackal कर रहा था, lion asked to the all of the animals of the jungle, just come and hear the howling of this jackal. यहाँ पर आके अपने राजा की howling सुनो. It is not our king. He is not our king. He is the jackal who used to live in our own jungle. Now what happened? He is a common cheat and no king at all. ये तो एक सिर्फ cheater है. He is just a cheater. Just his body became of blue color, so he cheated us. He is just a cheater. He is not our king. Then thrash him and banish him from the jungle as he banished the his other brethren. उसको क्या बोला गया कि इसको भी इस जंगल से निकाल के फेंक दो, जैसे उसने बाकी के जेकॉल्स को पीछे छोड़ के और वो खुद हमारे जंगल में आके राजा बन के रहने लगा था. बाकी जेकॉल्स का फैमिली उसने छोड़ दिया था. एंड ही स्टार्टेड लिविंग ओवर विद द अदर एनिमल्स एंड बिकेम किंग ऑफ देम. सो व्हाट द अदर एनिमल्स डिड, उन्होंने भी क्या करा? उन्होंने कहा कि इसको भी यहाँ से थ्रो कर दो, जैसे उसने अपनी जेकॉल फैमिली को थ्रो करा था. एंड लेट हिम गो अवे फ्रॉम हियर. उसको अब यहाँ से भगा दो. एक्साइल हिम, थ्रो हिम अवे फ्रॉम द jungle. All the animals then beat the Jackie up, and all the animals when got to know this thing. जब सारे animals को ये सब पता चला that what is happening, then they beat the jackal very much. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से अब क्या कर दिया था? जेकॉल की पिटाई कर दी थी. Now he realized that he was being paid for treating very badly. अब जब जैकी की इतनी पिटाई हुई, now Jackie realized कि why I am getting this kind of beating, मुझको क्यों मारा जा रहा है? I am getting a beating from these animals to behave badly with my own friends. क्योंकि मैंने अपने friends के साथ यही करा था. As my body color changed, so I became king and I left other of my friends. Now that's why this is happening with me. ये मेरे लिए इसीलिए ऐसा हो रहा है क्योंकि मैंने अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ अच्छा बिहेव नहीं करा. That's why the same thing is happening with me. Now here our lesson gets over. Again, what we are going to do? We are going to write the hard words of our new session, the second part of our lesson, and we are going to read it. So let's get started. Number one was terrify. Terrified. Hard words. Number 2, surprised. All the animals of the jungle got surprised to see jackal. Why? Because he was not at all looking at a jackal. His body was totally changed with blue color. Then reflection, reflectron. Then number 4 is realizing. Then number 5 is colored. Then caretaker. What Jackal said? Jackal said, I am your caretaker. And what he said to the other animals, that you have to serve me. Serve. What he said to all the animals, that you all have to serve me. Chalo, moving on to the next number is banished. Banished. Then number 9 is brethren. Brethrem. And then the number 10 is treating. Now, as he treated the other of his friend, same he himself was being treated by the other animals. जैसे उसने अपने other friends के साथ करा था, same was happening with him. So now we are going to just go through the hard word for twice. Terrified. Terrified. Again, we are going to read Terrified. Terrified. Next is Surprised. Surprised. Next is reflection. 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 Reflection means as we have to see our face, where we used to see in the mirror. So when we see our face in the mirror, that is our reflection. वो हमारा reflection होता है. Next is colored. 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 Next is caretaker. Who was caretaker? Jackal said to other animals that I am your caretaker. Number 7 is serve. Serve means to work for someone. Jackal asked to the other animals of the jungle that you all have to serve me. आप सबको मेरा ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. Number 8 is banished. 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 Number 9, brethren. Brethren. To exile, निकाल देना. Number 10 is treating. 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 Now here our lesson gets over. What is your work? Your work is to go through whole of the lesson, read very nicely. Without reading you cannot understand the lesson. हमको reading करना बहुत जरूरी है. It improves our English. अगर हम अच्छे से read करेंगे, then only our English will going to get improved. Now what we are going to do? We are going to do the 3 exercise of our lesson from first of all page number 3434, and the lesson number is 5, Indigo King. So let's get started. It is MCQs. So number 1 is Jackie hunted for food every day with his dash. To with whom Jackie used to hunt the food? A, brother. B, sister. Or C, friends. With whom Jackie used to hunt the food? He used to hunt the food with his friends. So C, friend option is right. C1 is the correct answer. Moving on to number 2. Jackie was wandering near a. Where was Jackie wandering? Jackie कहाँ पे इधर उधर देख रहा था? A, river. B, village. C, pottery farm. C is the correct answer. Pottery farm. Sorry, pottery farm. Moving on to the next number is Jackie fell into a tub of dash dye. Which color dye Jackie fell into? What was the color of that dye? A, blue. B, red. C, black. So A is the right answer. It was of blue color. Moving on to next number is 4. Jackie saw his reflection in a nearby dash. Where Jackie saw his reflection? Jackie को अपना फेस कहाँ पे दिखा था? A. Mirror. B. Pond. Or C. That is C. Option is C. So B option is the correct answer. He saw his reflection in a pond. उसको pond में अपना reflection दिखा था. So number 4, B option is right. Now page number 35 are the tick true or false. We have to put right whether it is true or whether it is false. Moving on to number 1, it's Jackie won't need to share his food with others. Jackie को अपना food share करना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Was it right? Yes, it is right. Jackie doesn't like to share his food with anyone. Jackie को अपना खाना किसी के साथ भी share करना अच्छा नहीं लगता था. Moving on to number 2 is Jackie saw his reflection in a nearby mirror. Jackie ने अपना face बाजू में एक mirror में देखा था. No, it's wrong one. So number 2 is false. Moving on to number 3 is all the animals served, hunted and obeyed Jackie. All the animals used to serve him, used to hunt for him and used to listen to him. Is it right? Yes, it's the true. It's right. Moving on to number 4. Jackie was being paid for treating his friends badly. Jackie अपने friend से बहुत badly उसने behave करा था तो उसको उसका result मिला था. Yes, he got the result while treating very badly his friends. So it is true. Number 1 is true. Number 2 is false. Number 3 is true. Number 4 is also true. Now move to the exercise C and better fill in the blanks. Let's get started. Number 1. Next morning, Jackie woke up early and went dash the river. Across the river. ACROSS. Again, I am speaking. ACROSS. Across. Moving on to number 2. The street dogs had seen the dash presence and rushed at Jackie. What was the presence? Strangers. STRANGER. Again, I am speaking. STRANGER. That is the answer number 2. Moving on to number 3. Bow to me and serve me dash. Bow to me and serve me well. WELL. Well is the correct answer. WELL. Moving on to number 4. One night, Jackie heard the call of his dash Jekyll's brothers. BROTHER. He was his brother. BROTHER. Moving on to number 5. All the animals then dashed the Jackie. What other animals did? Beat up. BEATUP. Again, I'm speaking. BEATUP. Now, let's move to exercise number D. They are answer the following questions orally. Number 1 is whom did Jackie hunt with for food every day? With whom Jackie used to hunt the food? He used to hunt the food with his friends. With his friends. Number 2. Where was Jackie wandering? Jackie कहाँ पे घूम रहा था? Near a poultry farm. Near a poultry farm. Moving on to number 3. Whose house did Jackie enter? Whose house did Jackie enter? Jackie किसके house में घुस गया था? It was Dyer's house. It was Dyer's house. Lesson is over. Go through the lesson, read the lesson very nicely. Again and again, I am saying the same thing. Go through the lesson. The moral of the story is, as you are, pretend the same. No need to be an over smart person. हम जैसे हैं वैसा ही रहना चाहिए. अपने आप को हम over smart दिखाने जाते हैं तो लॉस किसका होता है? हमारा ही होता है. जैसे कि इंडिगो किंग का हुआ. Who was Jekyll, but he pretended that he was the king of the jungle. So you have to go through the lesson, read again and again. I'm saying read and go through the lesson very nicely.